The news in detail. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman today presented the interim union budget for 2024 to 2025 in Parliament today, announcing that the capital expenditure outlay for the next year is being increased by 11.1% to Rs 11,11,111 crore, which would be 3.4% of the GDP. The minister said that the government's focus on empowering the poor, farmers, youth and women. She added that the Indian economy is doing well and inflation is under control. In major announcements, the finance minister said the scheme of a 50-year interest-free loan for capital expenditure to states will be continued this year with total outlay of Rs 1.3 lakh crore. The minister also informed that there is no proposal to make any changes in direct and indirect tax rates.
Coming to the year 2024-25, the total receipts other than borrowings and total expenditure are estimated at 30.80 and 47.66 lakh crore rupees respectively. The tax receipts are estimated at 26.02 lakh crore rupees. The scheme of 50-year interest-free loan for capital expenditure to states will be continued this year with an outlay of 1.3 lakh crore rupees.